Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get all Derpy icons in Geometry Dash. So let's start with the first step, which is to navigate to the icon kit from the main menu. So in here, this is where you will find and equip the Derpy icons once they are unlocked. So next step is go ahead and access the treasure room where the secret chests are located. So you will need secret coins or special codes to unlock certain Derpy coins. Next is some Derpy icons require secret codes. So you can use the code input screen to enter special codes that unlocks the unique silly icons. Next up is watch the celebration animation as your new Derpy icon is unlocked. So each Derpy icon has a unique goofy expression, just like this one. And lastly is you can go to the icon kit and browse all your unlocked Derpy icons. So from here, you can mix and match them for maximum silliness in gameplay. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!